Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about the React syntax highlighter to beautifully display the code snippets with the syntax highlighting. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So first of all, let's create the React project. So go to the terminal, hit this command. So roll down Vite experimental, no. Installed npm, yes. So the installing the npm and everything. Oh, what's happening here? You're using Node.js 14. Why it requires Node.js 20 plus? Okay, in VM use Node 22. Okay, clear this. Now paste this. Cancel. Remove existing files and continue. Okay, the project is ready. Here you can see that. Okay, what would be the next step? Next step would be cd this one, and we have to install the package React syntax highlighter. After this installation, we have to just update the app.jx file. Okay, so just open the code base for this, and here we have source app.jsx. Okay, let's clean this, and here we have a app file, right? So just update this. Okay, so here you can see that we have a code string, that is because this is the code part, okay, where we have to use the syntax highlighter, right? And after that we have a div, okay, and the React syntax highlighter below is the highlighted. So here you can see that syntax highlighter we have to add the language, the style, show line numbers, and the code string. So this is the code that we have already defined. So this code needs to be highlighted, right? Simple, this one. Okay, and the code we have to pass, okay, and the language, right, and the style, and they show the line numbers like 1 2 3 4 or something. Okay, save this, just go over there and npm run dev, open this, and here you can see that the below is the highlighted code for the React syntax. So now you can see the syntax highlighter is used like this. Okay, very easy, very simple. Any doubt, any query, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.